Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Bill Pay. This free online service helps you manage and pay nearly all your bills from one convenient place. You can pay companies, small businesses, or even individuals directly from your Fidelity brokerage or cash management account. It's designed to save you time and money by eliminating the need for paper checks, stamps, and envelopes. To begin, you'll need to add your payees. Simply log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the Bill Pay section. You can add a company or a person by providing their name, address, and your account number with them. If Fidelity finds a match, some details may pre-fill. Remember to keep payee information updated for smooth transactions. Once your payees are set up, scheduling payments is straightforward. You can make a one-time payment by entering the amount and selecting a delivery date. For recurring bills, like a monthly car loan, you can establish automatic payments. Fidelity Bill Pay allows you to schedule payments up to 1 year in advance, ensuring your bills are paid on time. You can also view your payment history. Fidelity Bill Pay offers convenient e-bills from many companies, delivering your statements directly to your account. You can also set up various alerts, such as email notifications for upcoming due dates or payment confirmations. Fidelity employs strong security measures, including multi-factor authentication and a customer protection guarantee, to safeguard your financial information and transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.